get him like this, just like that. See, look at me.
Got it.
There you go.
Go away.
No, you're holding it until you put it through its brain.
The other one.
You gotta hold it.
Just drop it. Just drop it.
Yeah, you're fine. Gotta hold it kind of tight, and just you can just go to make it easier. Just go underneath here, and just push it up and through, just till it pops out his head.
Without him opening his face?
Yeah, just go underneath. I'll go in further. You want it to come out right behind his head there.
I'm on the wrong hand though. I'm the lefty. I needed the other way.
Well,
oh well.
you can switch. Oh, they're here already.
Oh, this is hard. I can make it.
Just do it.
It's not going. Oh.
Hello.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Okay, so she got a minnow on the hook. Yay.
Can I do it?
Yeah, drop it in. She got a minnow on the
So
hook.
sorry.
She's apologizing to you. She killed that minnow, so she's apologizing. And then you flip this open, and then it'll start going down.
Like, oh,
yeah, flip it up. There you go. No, just let it go down. All right, we'll be in a little bit. We're just a crowd. You can, if you see.